Welcome to class level education.
Hello friends, today in this video we will learn indoor games.
LUDO, chess, CARROM, billiards, table tennis, playing cards, snake and ladder, PACHISI, trump cards, computer games, brain VITA, building blocks, puzzles, dart, judo, squash.
Please like, share, subscribe the channel Class Level Education. Press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you for watching this channel.